In today's video, I am going to teach you how to add table on Wix. We will do this in Wix Studio, using the built-in tools that let you quickly place a table on your page. If you have ever wanted to organize information like pricing, schedules, or comparisons, a table is a simple and clean way to present it. To get started, open your Wix Studio editor. When you are inside the editor, make sure you are looking at the page you want to work on. If your project has multiple pages, you want to select the correct one first, so you do not have to move things later. Take a moment to confirm you can see the main canvas, where your content will appear. Now, once you are in the Wix Studio editor, click the plus icon. This plus icon is the entry point for adding new elements to your page. It might be located in a toolbar area or near the place where you can insert content. Click it carefully and wait for the panel or menu to appear. This step is important because it tells Wix that you want to add something new, rather than editing what is already there. After you click the plus icon, click Layout Tools. This section is where Wix groups elements that help with structure and page organization. Layout tools are often used for sections that need precise positioning or consistent alignment. By choosing Layout tools, you make sure you are browsing the right category for something like a table, which is meant to be structured. Next, click Table. At this stage, Wix should show you table options, or a set of table designs. You may see templates that differ by style, such as different header formatting, column spacing, or overall design look. Choose a table that matches the purpose of what you want to display. This is the part where you decide the visual style, so it helps to think about your content, like whether you want a bold header row or a more subtle, minimal look. Now you can choose a table. Select one of the table options from the list. As soon as you choose it, Wix will place the table element onto your page, typically near where the editor expects new items to be inserted. If the table appears in a particular position, you can usually drag it to adjust where it sits on the page. If you do not see it right away, zoom out slightly or look at the canvas area where new elements appear. Before you finalize anything, take a moment to look at how the table is added. Check that it is visible and that it is on the correct part of the page. If your page is already busy with other elements, you may want to adjust the table position so it does not overlap with existing content. This quick check helps prevent layout issues later. Once the table is placed, you are ready to work with it. Depending on your Wix interface, you may be able to click inside the table to start editing the cells and text. Even though we are only covering the creation step here, it is useful to note that the table you chose is now an editable element. From this point onward, you can update the headings and rows to fit your information. And that brings us to the end of the process. You opened the Wix Studio editor, used the plus icon to start adding an element, navigated to Layout Tools, selected Table, and chose the table style you want. That covers everything you need to know. And that is all there is to it.